Come on out.
Hi, I'm Lara Nicola, founder of Smart Sips Coffee, and we're not your ordinary cup of joe. Smart Sips Coffee is a fun brand of unique flavored coffees, decafs, cappuccinos, lattes, and hot chocolates. We put excitement into the daily coffee drinking routine with flavors like brown sugar bourbon, chocolate peanut butter, blueberry cinnamon crumble, and so much more. With Smart Sips, you can drink your dessert without the calories, carbs, or sugar. Our decadent flavored coffees are sugar-free, carb-free, and 2 calories per cup. We're an e-commerce company that I started 6 years ago out of my house, and since then, we've experienced tremendous growth year over year. My marketing background helped me create a niche in the competitive coffee space. We are always coming out with new exciting products. We launched Perk Box, which is our monthly subscription sampler where you can discover new exciting flavors.
Box,
and we're coming out with caffeinated creamer that gives any cup of coffee an extra boost of caffeine. So we have a proven
coffee lovers, people.
We have a proven track record of success, and we're looking to grow faster and reach new markets.
Well, you said explosive growth. What is that in dollars? How much?
Last year we did $2 million.
What?
Whoa!
You might have said how many years in business?
6 years, and the first 4 years I was a solopreneur. So now we're just growing so
Is
very
it all
rapidly.
online sales or retail too?
My goal was e-commerce. I wanted
That is amazing.
Yeah.
So wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
You said no carb, no sugar. Aren't most coffees no carb, no sugar?
They are, but I do. So I've always, I've been on Weight Watchers, and so I don't drink my calories or my points. So I make flavors that, at 10 o'clock I'm hungry, I want to eat my lunch, right? But so I'll drink, my white chocolate raspberry or my pecan whiskey, something that more than just something.
This is the peanut butter, and it's damn good.
All right, so I want to be part of this because you're obviously more successful than Kevin. So we've got to find a way to be partners here. This is amazing.
And I have to say, my cappuccinos, lattes, and hot chocolates are low calorie. They're 70 calories. So you go someplace and it's 400 calories.
Right.
Our almond cookie,
ready mixed.
yes, it comes perfectly sweetened. You don't add anything.
In a pod?
In a pod. It's sweetened to perfection. We do a blueberry
$2 million
cinnamon
in
latte.
sales. You're killing it.
Now,
Yeah.
I have to tell you something.
Yeah.
Unbelievably, this is your packaging, correct?
Yes.
I do believe I have bought this before. And because I am
a lot of coffee comes this way, Lori.
Well, no. It's not the K-cup, it was the design.
Yeah, right?
It's because I'm that person that likes flavored coffee.
Yes, I do
so
too.
like my whole thing is Swiss mocha or a cinnamon sugar cookie.
Yeah.
So I'm that cheesy person that drinks all the flavored ones. And I do believe, I recognize your packaging, that I have ordered some things of yours actually trying to find the
Where are you
perfect
selling them
Swiss
at?
mocha.
Okay, so I'm on smartsipscoffee.com. That's my site. I'm on Walmart.com and Amazon. And we're looking to
I
get
bought it
into
from Amazon.
staples. Okay, yeah, and I'm looking to get into new markets.
What do you sell one for? I'm curious. You hadn't even mentioned them.
They range between 14 to 17.
What's the
And free
bestseller?
shipping. We always do free.
What do you get for that?
Ooh, free shipping.
Yeah, I factor in free shipping.
No,
So
a box of how many? For
Oh, 24
$14?
count. 24 count. And not seen here, we have Perk Box. It's our monthly subscription
Congratulations.
sampler.
It takes a lot to
Thank
get to $2 million in sales.
Yeah.
Thank
Congrats.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your pitch.
Thank
We
you so
appreciate
much.
it. Thank you. Great job. Great product, too.
That's impressive.
I had one question, though. I wanted to ask, is there real whiskey in that pecan whiskey?